3, 2, 1.
Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, welcome!
I'm Pat.
I'm Kat. And we are the Drag Queens! One of the best things our channel offers is diversity. We are two ladies having different skin types, skin tones, point of views, preferences, name it. And this is what makes our channel unique.
They gave us 2 shades.
Blonde yung
Siguro dahil sa
one,
hair.
Mine naman is black.
Our viewers can agree with Pat and disagree with me or vice versa. But this is what keeps our connection with you. There's no dull moment when we're together.
Pat, patulong ako sa...
Wait lang, nagtatanong ko ha. Teka lang.
But it makes it more special when we share them with you.
We're looking for the best red one.
Itong dalawa.
Going to buy it.
To give us some breather because we can always be together, Kat and I decided to have separate segments where we talk about more specific for a brand, product, or technique. Spot the Difference was named by Kat. She was totally the mastermind of this. Basically, it contains comparative reviews and testing of 2 or more things. A series to help you choose which is the better option for you.
Spot the difference. Spot the difference.
Cat Talks actually originated from my love of talking. We created this segment to help our viewers understand and appreciate makeup more by answering their beauty-related questions. For example, questions about a makeup brand, a makeup product, makeup technique, and many, many more.
Lip tint, saan siya nanggaling? What are your different types? What lip tint should you get?
If others have weird hobbies, then this is ours. Really enjoy experiencing moments such as shooting funny challenges, laughing on each other's corny jokes,
Yung outfit natin.
Ay girl, normalan lang to kasi mainit.
Pag mainit talaga sa Pilipinas, naka-2-piece na lang.
crying over little things, and being unafraid of putting ourselves out there. Nevertheless, we hope that in the span of 1 year, we were able to inspire you to learn, to smile, to be happy, to be confident, and just be positive in life. Get ready for every second year, for we are cooking a lot more for you guys to enjoy. See you on our next video. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching our very first video.
Contact sun.